got to lead or got to understand this instruction, listen and follow. Is it difficult? Is it difficult? Yes, no? Yes? That's difficult. No, not difficult. You know, listening becomes a problem. Why? Does anyone here like any wrong habit or any kind of habit which people are asking you or people are telling you to change? Okay, let me explain in another way. That who has, like, say, craving for a chocolate or sweet, and some people are telling you that you are eating too much, you should not eat. Is there anyone like that? Okay. So one or two people. How many smokers in the room? Anyone smoking? No one? No one smokes. You smoke? Ah, okay. So I was worried. Why? How come world became so good all of a sudden? So have people stopped you from smoking before in the past? They told. Who are these people who told you don't smoke? Family members, right? Do they still tell you? They give up already. Very good. So many people have a habit, they never reach into any place in time, in a given time. You know that? They have a habit of never reaching into an appointment or a meeting or any kind of thing. Wherever you tell them to be there at 10 o'clock, they will never be there at 10 o'clock. They will be always there at 10:30 or maybe 11. Anyone like that? Yeah? Okay. And have people told you about this? That yes, this is what is you are doing a mistake? My friend, don't do it. Have people told you like that? Yes? And you still continue doing it? Or do you change? What do you say? You still continue doing it. Correct? So, listening always depends on from whom I am listening. Are you understanding what I am saying? So we have this habit of selective listening. That means we only select. That means this is what I want to listen, and we also give a permission in listening. I don't want to listen to Sajid, or maybe I want to listen to Sajid. Are you understanding? Are you understanding? Alright? And when listening becomes so important, it becomes very, very important when you really want to change. When you really want to change, now listening comes. Alright? So I want to introduce a concept which you are going to hear many times in future. Alright? But let me just give you an introduction and tell you a little bit, explain you this, because this is something which is very, very important when you want to build a team. What is this word? Trespass. Correct? So have you seen trespassers not allowed? In the properties it is written, in the houses or in the gate it is mentioned, trespassers not allowed. What does it mean? Without permission you are not allowed. Is that clear? Right? So usually it is there in front of the areas or the houses or private places where it is written that trespassers are not allowed. Means unknown people are not allowed. Alright? That means please don't cross the line. Correct? Okay? So, when you want to build a team, and if these are the people, there will be always levels of trespass. That means these people are going, your team members or including you, when your upline tells you something that you need to change, the way you allow or the way you give permission, that depends on your success. That's directly equivalent to your success. So if I am following this path and somebody is telling me just follow this, the next step, you just go. If you give 100% trespass means what? You are just going into the next step. But if I don't give 100% trespass, then what happens? I try to do something of my own. Isn't it? Yes or no? Yes or no? So let me just give you a small story. Let's say there is, let's say you're sitting somewhere in your house and you're watching your favorite show. Alright? And in that show, the show is becoming very interesting and you're watching and all of a sudden you run out of a Coke. Let's say you were drinking Coke at that time. Okay? And you just went outside to grab that Coke. Alright? When you came back, you found absolute stranger sitting there. Absolute stranger. What is your first reaction? Tell me. What is your first reaction? What is the first question which you ask? Huh? Who are you? Why did you come? Okay, very good. What you are doing here? Very good. Now that person says something, okay? He says, my name is, whose name? What's your name? Mong Mong. My name is Mong Mong. Alright? And he says immediately, take off this family picture of yours, doesn't look nice. What's your reaction? He tells you that my name is Mong Mong and take off your family picture. It doesn't look nice. What's your reaction? What do you do? Huh? Who are you? Okay. How do you react? Come on. Huh? You will throw him. You will show him the door. Okay. What else? What do you do, girls? What do you do? Welcome. You welcome strangers into your house. Come on. What do you do? Huh? Get out. Get angry. Okay, very good. Alright, so this is your scenario number one, which is you get angry and you throw him out of the house. Clear? I'll give you a second scenario. The second scenario is this gentleman, when you go to office in the morning, you see this person also goes to the office at the same time. But he stays somewhere in that same road where you are staying. So when you go to office, he also going to office. So, hello, then he says hello. That's it. That is what is your relationship between these two people. Okay? Now I am bringing the same scenario. That means you are watching your favorite show. You run out of the Coke. You just go across to get the Coke. As you come inside, you found this neighbor is sitting there. What is your reaction? What do you say? Huh? Come on. What do you say? Welcome. Okay. Then next. What do you say? Okay. What's your name? Surprised? Okay. Very good. What else? Okay. I bought a Coca-Cola. Let's have a drink. Okay. What else? What else? Alright. So now this person who's sitting there, neighbor, he says, this family picture of yours, keep it somewhere else. Take it away. Doesn't look nice. What's your reaction? You will ask the reason why. Okay. Anyone else? What's your reaction? Smile. You don't do anything. Smile. Okay. Smile. Okay. What else? Come on. Some more.
What is wrong with the picture in that?
Okay. So you're asking questions. So still it is why. You're asking why exactly. Okay. Good. Let me give you a third scenario. Third example. Okay. Now you have called Mong from Switzerland. Alright? He is a very famous consultant. And he can tell you, he is a very famous finance consultant. Energy. So when he comes to your house, people look for his appointment. And you have paid $5,000 to Mong to come. And Mong says, I am coming tomorrow morning. Okay? So tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock, you are ready. How do you welcome him? How do you welcome him? Family welcome. Okay, very good. So he comes inside the house and he says, Tom, I know what is the problem with your life. So far, in your life, only one problem. This family picture. This family picture you kept here. Take it away. Your life is going to change. Now tell me what you do. Huh? You'll throw it away. So, now look into your scenario number 1, scenario number 2, scenario number 3. Did they give any different advice? Did they give any different advice? No. It's all same. Correct? One person was absolutely stranger to you. The other person, you know him little bit. And the third person is you have invited him. And this is what I call it as levels of trespass. It is the value, it's the permission which you have given him, given to the other person in your own life for you to change. Yes or no? Was there giving different advices? No, it's the same. Right? They were giving the same advice. Alright? And they were giving the same advice to you all the time, but one, you allowed it with 100% trespass. You were willing to listen, you were ready with the diary and the pen, so that the other person is telling you something and you were just ready to note down everything. and make all the changes. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes.
So this is what your listening is all about. So team, when you make your core team, take trespass. Give trespass. Until unless you are not willing to change, you are not willing to implement on what to do in a 100% manner, listen to the instructions in 100% manner, you will never be able to lead the other person. Are we together? Are we together?
Yes.